So welcome back, friends. Pretty much I had given timings of negativity, and Nifty, Bank Nifty worked today accordingly. I don't have to repeat them for you. You must have seen my morning video and saw how we were able to get the market right once again. In political developments, we have Atishi Marlena to take over as the Chief Minister of Delhi. She did her schooling from the Springdale's School in New Delhi, graduation in history from the St. Stephen's College in Delhi. She has done a master's in history from Oxford University, and thereafter went to the Magdalen College in Oxford as a Rhodes Scholar. Well, educational credentials look good. What further? I will not comment more right now. I'm sure she has been the education minister. India needs to have some good, solid, world famous universities so that students don't have to shed out so much foreign exchange and go overseas. Let's hope that something good comes out. And time is running out for the country. We do have international institutions, but yet world famous, so that people don't need to go overseas, is very, very important. I'm sure Modi Saab is also looking into it. He's done an impeccable job on the defense front in indigenization, and I'm sure they're looking at the education part, because that can save very valuable foreign exchange. Coming to the United States, we see the futures indicating a reasonably positive start. We had the retail sales data just come out, which shows in fact a little growth in the retail sales as compared to a 0.2% decline. We have seen a 0.1% growth. That's not bad. It's a very solid, it's a very big economy, the US economy, and to see even a small percentage, in percentage terms, you may see it's very small, but if you look at it in absolute numbers, it turns out to be quite a big amount. So to see the retail sales grow shows that the American consumer is still very resilient, and such an economy, I do not know whether Federal Reserve meeting, which is to start today, and the policy decision is expected tomorrow, whether they would agree to a 50 basis points, as 68% of the survey respondents seem to be indicating at this point of time. I don't think they will. I may be wrong again, but they probably would not like to settle for such a very first cut of 50 basis points. May not be what the Federal Reserve Chairman Jay Powell wants at this point of time. They don't want to shake the market, because there is really no, I can't understand how come it can be 63% chance for a 50 basis points cut. There is only the jobs market is weakening a little bit, and of course inflation has been tamed substantially. So this does not really create a situation for such an emergency heavy or a full dose cut in the interest rate. So if it is just 25 basis points, it means that the US Federal Reserve is looking at a soft landing for the United States. And if it's a soft landing, then that's good for the world economy. What is good for the US is good for the world as well. That's the basic hypothesis on which we go forward, right, in our calculations. And friends, the markets have run up quite a bit. We have the Bajaj Housing Finance IPO having taken off very well. More than 2.5 times the issue price is superb. Other housing finance companies are also getting re-rated. Some of the metal companies are also on a higher trajectory, as is gold and silver, that is the precious metals. So many things looking good at this point of time. People are expressing some amount of